Morgan, what are you doing? Take it out and tell me what you're doing. What are you calling? Take it out. What are you doing?
I got a duck call.
You got a duck call?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Are you calling ducks?
Yeah.
Are you trying to tell them to come see you?
No.
No? What are you doing with it then?
I'm making noise.
Making noise.
Colton must be
You don't sound very much like a duck.
Hi, sweetheart. You're not asleep, are you?
Do you sound like a duck?
Bye, Sissy. Don't pull that any tighter. He's still strapped in. That'll make it too tight.
Okay,
I'm
Sissy.
going.
Is Buddy being silly?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
He makes a duck call.
He's making a duck call. He's silly, isn't he? Hey, Buddy. Show Grandpa one really good one how you do it. Get your finger out of it. Take your finger out of the hole. There you go.
Sissy, no.
Good
no.
job.
That's
Tell Grandpa, hey, Morgan, turn around here. Tell Grandpa, say, I want to go duck hunting with you. Take it out.
I got duck on
Say, hurry home.
Stay home.
Say, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, I love you.
You